Hi guys, do you know that there are so many excavator manufacturing companies in the world? But there are 5 famous companies that you can find excavator products all over the world. Here are 5 world famous excavator manufacturing companies. Caterpillar Incorporated. Caterpillar is an American company that designs, manufactures, and sells heavy equipment, including excavators. Caterpillar has a wide range of excavators that cater to different types of construction, mining, and demolition work. Komatsu Limited. Komatsu is a Japanese multinational corporation that specializes in the manufacturing of construction, mining, and military equipment. Komatsu excavators are known for their reliability, durability, and fuel efficiency. Hitachi Construction Machinery Company, Limited. Hitachi Construction Machinery is a Japanese company that manufactures a wide range of construction equipment, including hydraulic excavators. Hitachi excavators are renowned for their advanced technologies, high performance, and fuel efficiency. Volvo Construction Equipment. Volvo Construction Equipment is a Swedish company that produces a variety of heavy machinery for the construction industry, including excavators. Volvo excavators are designed to be versatile, powerful, and efficient. Liebherr Group. Liebherr is a German-Swiss multinational company that produces a wide range of construction equipment, including hydraulic excavators. Liebherr excavators are known for their high precision, advanced technology, and reliability. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video.